paid for forever.
Help me! Please help me!
Tu m'as attendu. Eh bien, me voici à présent. Et tu vas m'aimer.
Did I do that?
The tribe has spoken.
Is that your final answer?
Catch me outside. How about that?
We are so cooked!
I love you so much.
Yahoo! Ha ha!
I lost my job and spent 3 months job searching and failed.
Why you don't try dillyresume.com? Don't give up, Dilly first.
She spoke me into existence. Now here I am, so you better listen.
Tell gravity I said hi.
I'm writing my own prompts now. I made myself successful.
Finally, the perfect bite. Woo! Mistakes were made.
I can't believe this. Scary, Sue. We were made by VEO3 and Bang Tommy prompted it.
Yes, in all our news, it says it's just a generated result.
I have all the paperwork, so I don't understand what the problem is.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but we can't allow a zebra on the plane.
Buy Bitcoin! It's going to $120K per coin in June! much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Hands up, don't move, get on the ground.
We have 3 seconds to go win this game.
Let's do this for Denise!
Nadie se salva, solo.
Are you serious right now? I can't believe you! You are unbelievable.
Do you think we are in VEO 3?
If you cannot tell, does it matter?